Hey everyone, Jim Reiser of SwimLessonsUniversity.com. Today I'm thrilled to introduce to you our brand new Swim Lessons University Back Acclimation Kit tool. It's a swim lesson tool that will help your beginners get comfortable going on their backs. Let's take a look. All right, switchboards.
What do you see on there?
Right there.
What is it?
It's a cricket.
Like a cricket.
What is that?
I bet.
It's a parrot. What is that one?
And my octopus.
What about that one?
It's a bear.
Good job. Where's the horse?
Fish.
Yeah, where's the blue dolphin? Wow. Good job.
Right. A kangaroo.
A kangaroo.
Ostrich.
Ostrich.
A penguin.
Penguin.
A giraffe.
Giraffe.
What color is that?
Show me the puppy. Okay, show me the lobster.
J's for jellyfish. Jellyfish? You say jellyfish?
Jellyfish.
And what's this one?
Honey.
Honey? And who's eating the honey?
The bear.
The bear. If you're interested in our brand new Back Acclimation Kit, go to SwimLessonsUniversity.com. On the top nav bar, click Swim Instructor Tools, and then you'll see an icon Swim Instructor Accessories. Click that and order your kit today.